In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Twitter threads to Notion. We'll start by opening a browser and heading to notion.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one, but I'm going to log in. On the home page, click Login, and for this demo, I'll choose the Google option. Pick your Google account to continue and complete the sign-in. In a moment, you'll land in your Notion workspace. Next, create a dedicated place to store your threads. Click Add a page in the sidebar to make a new page. Give it a clear name, something like Motivation Page if you plan to collect motivational threads. This keeps everything organized and easy to find later. Now switch over to Twitter. Browse to the thread you want to save. You can search for a topic, open the thread, and make sure you're viewing the first tweet so the whole conversation is captured. Once you have the right thread open, copy its URL. You can copy it from your browser's address bar or use the Share menu to grab the link. Return to your Notion page. In the empty space on the page, type the /command/embed. This opens Notion's embed menu. Click Embeds to add a new embed block. Paste the Twitter thread link you copied into the field that appears, then click Embed Link. Notion will fetch the preview and place the thread directly on your page. You can scroll the embed to read it in Notion, and it will stay linked to the original thread on Twitter. That's it. You've successfully saved a Twitter thread to Notion. A couple of quick pointers to make this smoother. The tweet needs to be public for Notion to display it, so protected or deleted tweets won't render. If the preview takes a second to load, just wait. Network delays are normal. And if you're organizing multiple topics, consider creating separate pages or adding headers within this page so your saved threads are grouped neatly. You can also add a quick note or tag above the embed to remind yourself why it matters or how you plan to use it later. And if you're working in the desktop app instead of the browser, the steps are identical, so you can follow along anywhere. From here, you can repeat the same process for any thread you want to keep. Open the thread on Twitter, copy the URL, return to Notion, use Embed, choose Embeds, paste, and click Embed Link. In a few minutes, you'll have a curated collection of threads right inside your workspace, ready to reference whenever you need them.